up, guys? I am back. And right now, I just want to tell you thank you for all that you guys do. All right? Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for commenting. That is very appreciative and needed, especially in the times that we're living in right now. Granted, we got stuff going on even with our government and everything else is going crazy. But I want to get into this tutorial about just pretty much and the beard growth, you know. So if you haven't already, subscribe down below. You know what I mean? Let me talk to y'all real quick. First of all, I want to give my apologies, okay? If I have in any way, when I started this vlog, if I have said anything that was wrong, off base, even in my last video, if y'all checked it out, and I'm asking you if you haven't, go check it out right now. If I said something that was wrong, that was not on the bottle, quote, as you could read through here, you could see what the bottle might have said that I might have messed up on. I deeply apologize. I remember now what I was supposed to tell y'all. So upon this whole how to grow a beard tutorial type of thing, vlog, if you whatever you want to call it, I have also started the Daniel fast. And now, if you're not familiar with the Daniel fast, I ask you to go and do your research. The Daniel fast is in Daniel, and I believe it starts in chapter 1 verse like 22, something like that. Chapter 1 of Daniel, you'll start to read a little bit more of disclosure. Just start reading Daniel. You'll learn about the fast. They had like a 10-day thing or whatever to prove to the king that if they ate fruits and vegetables and none of that stuff that the king gave at their table, in 10 days they could, you know, go and see how strong, or compare them to the ones that were eating the slop or the food from the king's table. You guys can go back, do your research. The two biggest things that I've really been trying to do, focus on, y'all kind of see my little zit right there, my little friend. Two biggest things that I've been trying to do was just eat healthier and drink as much water and coconut water as I can. I know that might be weird to y'all, but you know that does help. The different things that you put inside your body, it does help when you're trying to you know, clear up your face or whatever. You know, y'all know that I have been using my Ambi soap, my wife's Ambi soap, for a little while now. You know, you know what I'm saying, I wash my face first and then I put on the actual Gym Matters. And man, it's a great combination. It's a great thing, and that's what I do, you know. So I'm just trying to do shed a little light to you guys, man, and let you guys see inside of my life. Now, as you can see, it hasn't grown extremely, but you see, like, you get real close. I bump my hair. You get, I got a few stubbles coming in. You know what I mean? See that? I got a few stubbles going in. They busting in. They busting wide open. Right now, I'm still in a toss up, but I'm gonna keep going because the type of man that I am, I do not quit. I don't quit. Okay? So whatever I do, I give it my all, and I do not quit. Okay? I want to thank you. If you haven't already, comment. If you haven't already, subscribe. And if you haven't already, like your boy. God be the glory. Love, peace, hair grease. Holla at your boy.